In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google from Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on Continue. Select Allow and click on grey switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then click Clean at the bottom left corner. Select Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!